In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a mass email on HubSpot. We'll walk through the exact path inside HubSpot so you can confidently set up a one-off marketing email and choose who receives it. I'll add helpful context along the way so nothing feels confusing. Start by signing in and heading to your HubSpot dashboard. From here, look toward the main navigation bar and open the marketing section. This is where HubSpot keeps all of your promotional tools, including email. In that marketing menu, click Email to jump into the Email tool. Inside the Email tool, you'll see your existing emails and drafts. To create a new one, click Create Email. HubSpot will then ask what type of email you want to build. Choose Regular. A regular email is perfect for one-time sends like newsletters, announcements, or promotions. If you're exploring automation in the future, you'll find those options here too. But for this walkthrough, we're sticking with a standard single send. Next, pick how you want to build the email. You can start from scratch for full creative control, or choose a template if you want a polished layout right away. Either path opens the drag and drop editor, where you can add your logo, text, images, and buttons. Keep your content clear and concise, use short paragraphs, and make sure your primary call to action stands out. If you're using a template, swap in your brand colors and images to stay on brand. Once your content looks good, move to the Send section at the top of the editor. HubSpot organizes the email builder into tabs, and Send is where you decide who gets the message. In the Send to area, select your recipients. For this demonstration, we'll choose individual contacts directly. This is helpful when you want to handpick people from your database. If you're planning a larger send, this is also the spot where you typically select a saved list or a segment to reach a broader audience, and you can exclude groups if needed. Before proceeding, double-check that your contacts have given permission to receive marketing emails, and glance at the estimated recipient count so you know exactly who's included. As a final quality check, use the preview options to see how your email looks on desktop and mobile, and send yourself a quick test to verify links, images, and formatting. With your content finalized and your recipient selected in the Send section, you're ready to move forward with your mass email in HubSpot. That's the full path from the dashboard to choosing who receives your message, all in a clean, repeatable workflow.